In this video, we're going to perform a real-world range test and speed test on this long straightaway on the all-new Ouxi V8 Mini. Now, the Mini comes with a 36-volt, 10.6 amp hour battery mated to a 500-watt hub motor. These are slightly smaller tires. They're 16 inches by 4 inches wide. The seat height is 29 inches. And you can see the range right now on the odometer is 0.8 miles, and we'll see just how far it goes. I hope you like and subscribe, and let's get after it. All right, I'm gonna go pedal assist mode 5, no pedaling, and see just how far we can go. Now the speed is limited to 20 miles an hour. I could feel that the governor slowed the bike down. And I could tell the bike wants to go faster. With the 36-volt battery, I'm sure this bike could probably get slightly above 20 miles per hour, but not much faster. Maybe 23 to 25 miles if you're lucky. But let's see just how far it goes. I'll check in around mile 5 and see how we're doing. You can see we're here at 5 mile mark. We're down 1 bar. We'll keep on going. I'll check in around mile marker 10 and give you a report and update. So this is what it looks like pedaling. It's pretty comfortable to pedal. Even with me being 5'8", I could still pedal this bike easily. Now I'm going at the top speed. I got it on cruise control, so it's going 20 miles an hour, and I'm in the top mechanical gear, but it's definitely easy to pedal at this speed or even in lower pedal assist modes. But for the sake of this test, we're just doing throttle only to see how far it'll go. Checking in here at the 10 mile mark. I'm down to 3 bars on the battery, about 60% left, but I'm sure it'll fall off once I get down to 1 bar. So I'll check in at mile marker 15 and see how we're doing. Just past 15 miles on this trip, and I'm down to 3 bars still that I had at 10 miles. So I'm gonna keep on trucking. Got a beautiful sunset here, and we'll check in around mile marker 20. So my mile marker 19, and I noticed the speed started to fall off. Before, I had the throttle pegged on the cruise control. You can see the little icon there, and I was holding steady at 20 miles. Now you can see that it keeps jumping down from 20 miles an hour down to about 19. So the battery's voltage is definitely falling off now, so I expect it to really diminish quickly here. But I'll keep trucking and see how far I go, and I'll check in about every mile or two. I'm at 20 miles now, and it's really struggling to stay above 14 miles per hour. So I would say I'm gonna call it here that the range is about 20 miles. Now this was on flat ground, pavement surface. Now you can go further or farther if you were to pedal or lower your pedal assist mode, let's say to 3 or 4, you could definitely get over 25 miles of range. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope that you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.